Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this video we're building our first layout with AI. We can choose from a variety of different layout types, but for this video let's go with a landing page. And when we click on it, a basic prompt gets added to the prompt box. But let's be a little bit more specific and say create a landing page with a hero section, a social proof section, and a comparison table. And let's click on generate. The canvas gets opened and the AI agent will think about it. And then as the first step, Instant AI will ask us to set up a brand kit. And the brand kit enables the AI to build something truly custom and in the style you want and like. It also ensures that all of your following prompts are consistent with the previous creations. So let's set up the brand kit. Then it will ask us to set up the brand kit based upon a URL, or we can choose from scratch and then we simply describe what we want. Let's give it a URL. We can give it a URL of our own Shopify store or direct it to a store we really like. I really like Seed.com. This is a great looking store with a great brand. So let's copy the URL and paste it into our chat. Now Instant AI will analyze the domain. It will fetch the website, extract the branding, and capture a screenshot to analyze the design. The styling from Seed.com got extracted, and now it asks us if we have any specific notes for the brand kit. I don't have any, so let's just select option 1. And now Instant AI will start creating the brand kit. And there we have the brand kit. And immediately underneath, it will also plan how it wants to build our prompt. But before we dive into this plan and build the layout, let's quickly take a look at the brand kit. So we can see the colors, we can see the fonts, and if we click on Edit Design MD, we can see all the info of the brand kit, from the different colors to the font sizes to the border radius and so much more information. This all looks great to me. And then we go to the plan. So it's going to build a hero, it's going to build a social proof section and the comparison table, exactly what I wanted with the prompt. So let's build the layout. And just a minute later, the layout is created. We can see what it has done. So this is the plan. And then right underneath, you can see it created the landing page. It added the hero, the social proof section, and the comparison table. And this all looks super, super nice. It also matches with the overall brand of the URL I gave it. So this is looking super, super nice. Now we can click on preview to see what this looks like. And it looks great on every single device, which is so nice about building with AI. You don't have to spend any thought or time with creating something responsive. In the next videos, we will dive deeper into building and editing pages. For now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.